Okay, so hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a no contact reading for all the Libra. Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 29th of December. The roles can be reversed also. The action can be from your side also if it is not resonating, not your story. If you want to be a reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. Link is in the description box. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono, but you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box. It's life changing. I'm doing it from a very long time. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can book your slots accordingly. And if you have any queries, you can mail us on the modernsanyasini@gmail.com. Okay, now let's start. Libra, the person that you are no contact or no communication with their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. We have the Six of Wands, Nine of Swords, the Two of Cups. This is someone who still loves you and still very much in this anxious state of mind of what if Libra is never going to come back? What if Libra is going to be so successful in another relationship that they're not even going to think about me? So Libra, this is someone who who feels deeply very connected to you still at this point also, but they are quite worried and scared that this is never going to work out between you and them. It is highly impossible that you guys are going to have a successful relationship, or the outcome of this relationship is going to be successful or victorious. This is never going to happen and they're quite anxious about this. Okay. They have a lot of stressful energies around them, continuously what if, continuously living in the what ifs, continuously living in the state of mind of what if Libra is going to do that, what if Libra is going to say that, what if Libra is never going to come back, what if they are going to behave like this, continuously creating scenarios in their mind and hurting themselves only all the time, all the time. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the Knight of Pentacles, the Star, and the Queen of Pentacles. See, their intention is to heal the situation and remain quite optimistic and positive about the future direction of the situation. This is their intention. Their intention is to slowly but steadily healing the situation and remaining very optimistic and positive about the future direction of the situation, that someday everything is going to be fine between me and Libra, and even if it is not going to be fine, I will be fine if this connection is not going to be fine. So this person definitely have this intention of remaining optimistic and positive in their love relationship area, that someday everything is going to be fine and sorted and I'm going to be at peace with myself, with Libra, with the whole situation. Okay. That's cool. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 29th of December, honey. We have the King of Wands, the Page of Swords, the Wheel of Fortune. A simple hi, hello. Oh my god. Libra. Libra. What is wrong with you guys? You always give me this energy of let the camera go down, let the camera fall, da da da. You can expect some kind of hi, hello message communication, a simple plain hi, hello message, a little bit of message communication from this person's side that's going to go nowhere. It's like out of passion, or you can say sudden unexpected kind of surge of energy is going to make this person text you or connect with you, but once they are going to do that, I don't see that thing going anywhere from that point. It's like connecting with you and then maybe ghosting you again, and or not getting the reply what they like, the way they wanted from you, and then they are going to be like, okay, Libra is not interested, or Libra doesn't like me anymore, or Libra don't have feelings anymore, so I should just stay away, or this or that. So again, creating scenarios in their mind and just you can say telling themselves all the time that don't do anything, don't do anything, don't do anything. Guidance for you, the Magician. So Libra, you might be manifesting this message communication from this person's side, but you don't know what next. Even if you're not manifesting this message communication from this person's side, you are manifesting something here, and you are doing it from quite a long time now. But every time you're manifesting, you are not sticking to what you want to manifest here. Maybe someday you want this person, then someday you want somebody who is actually meant for you, then you want communication from this person's side, then you want full on communication, then you want reconciliation, then you want full on reconciliation. So this might be like changing like energies all the time, and that is why you're not getting what you really want in your love and relationship area. You have to stick to one particular clear cut energy of what you exactly want, and then that will start coming to you naturally and organically. But you have to stick to that situation, stick to that one clear cut understanding of what you want. That's the day. Yeah, so thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.